New York has issued a statewide health advisory, while New Jersey issued one for some regions.
Let's go outside now. CBS 2's Allie Bauman is live in Central Park with more for us. Allie?
Well, Christine, it is evident from what you can see and smell out here that it is not as bad as it was a few weeks ago, but it's still not clean. And Governor Hochul warns that this air quality may be harmful to sensitive groups, including young kids. It's the first week of summer camp at Oasis in Central Park. But while the kids keep score, counselors are keeping an eye on the air quality.
We monitor it hour by hour.
State officials warn smoke from Canadian wildfires is wafting across New York.
Every corner of New York State has unhealthy air conditions right now, throughout the rest of the day and through tomorrow.
Today's hazy skyline pales in comparison to the orange air we experienced a few weeks ago, but experts say vulnerable groups may still be at risk, including young children, adults over 65, and people with heart conditions, as well as cardiovascular or lung diseases.
If you fall into those groups, we would ask that you take precautions, but absolutely still appropriate for most people in the city to enjoy the outdoors today.
Symptoms include sore throat, congestion, watery or itchy eyes, and shortness of breath.
We just have to make sure that we're careful with our kids that do have some respiratory issues.
Pediatrician Dr. Denise Nunez suggests parents send kids out with a mask, at least in their pocket.
If you have a child that has asthma, I suggest that you make an appointment with your pediatrician and make sure that you have all the medications they need.
In the meantime, Oasis camp counselors have a backup plan to spend a summer day indoors.
In the event that the air quality has gone bad, we'll call them in. We have masks to transition back to the building, and we have plenty of water just to keep their throats moist.
Well, Governor Hochul says right now it is impossible to predict how the air quality be for the 4th of July on Tuesday, but our office is tracking the numbers and will send out emergency cell phone alerts to residents here in New York as soon as the air quality reaches very unhealthy. We're live in Central Park. Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Allie, and do stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage on tonight's air quality alert. To get your first alert forecast any time of the day, go to cbsnewyork.com.